In this video, I'll show you how to set up environment variables in Replit. Start by signing into your Replit account and open the project where you want to add environment variables. Next, locate the Secrets tool in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, click Tools and search for Secrets to open it. After that, click Add Secret to create a new environment variable. Now enter the key, which is the name of the environment variable your application will use, such as AP_key or database_URL. Next, enter the value, which is the actual secret, token, password, or connection string you want to store securely. After that, click Add Secret or Save to store the environment variable. Now repeat the process for any additional environment variables your application requires. Next, update your application to read the environment variables from the runtime environment instead of hard-coding sensitive values into your code. After that, click Run to restart your application so it can access the newly added environment variables. Finally, test your app to make sure the environment variables are being loaded correctly and that any connected services, such as APIs or databases, are working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up environment variables in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.